Hey guys, it's James from Glute Strengthening Therapy, and I'm here with my assistant Lexi today. And in this video, we'll be talking about how to correct your piriformis syndrome. Piriformis syndrome is a common condition that occurs when the piriformis muscle located deep in the glutes becomes tight or spazzes. This can lead to pain and discomfort in the glutes, lower back, and even down the leg. Piriformis syndrome can also be caused by a number of factors including overuse, injury, and even prolonged amount of sitting. People who are more active in sports that require a lot of jumping or running, such as basketball or soccer, are more likely to experience this condition. Additionally, people who have a previous injury to the hip or lower back are also at a higher risk of developing piriformis syndrome. The most common symptoms of piriformis syndrome include pain and discomfort in the glutes, lower back, and even down the leg. This pain can be sharp or dull and may be worse from sitting or standing for long periods of time. Other symptoms can include numbness or tingling in the leg and even difficulty walking or standing. The exercises in the video are designed to help provide pain relief along with strengthening the muscles to help restore balance into the area. Be sure to aim for 30 to 60 seconds of each exercise for 2 to 3 sets on both sides. Remember to only stretch to the point of tension and never pain or discomfort. The first exercise are the seated piriformis stretch. This exercise is a great way to gently stretch the piriformis along with the surrounding muscles and can provide great pain relief. Start by sitting on a chair and as upright as possible. Place the affected leg over the opposite leg and allow the knee to drop as much as possible towards the ground. While maintaining a neutral spine, slowly hinge forward from the hips until a stretch is felt in the glute muscle. If you're feeling any sort of discomfort in the knee, simply lift the knee up towards the ceiling. The second exercise is the piriformis self-release. This exercise is a great way to provide pain relief to the piriformis. Place a lacrosse ball or massage ball on the ground. Sandwich the lacrosse ball in between the muscles of the outer glute and onto the ground. Cross your affected leg over the opposite leg similar to the seated piriformis stretch from before and place your hands behind you for support. Gently roll the muscles of the outer glute over the lacrosse ball while spending more time on more tender areas. To dampen the pressure, simply place a towel over the lacrosse ball. The last exercise are the banded clamshells. This exercise helps strengthen the glute medius, which is a muscle often weak and inhibited in people with piriformis syndrome. Start by laying on your side with a hip band around both knees. Lay on your arm for support and bend both legs to roughly 45 degrees. Place the opposite hand on the waist and make sure that the shoulders and hips are squared with one another. Pull the belly button in towards the spine and be sure that there is no twisting of the hips during the exercise. While keeping both feet together, lift the top knee up towards the ceiling and then back down. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Please also let me know what other content you'd like to see as well. Lastly, if you're looking for a structured rehab program to follow to correct your piriformis syndrome, our Bulletproof Your Lower Back program is a 12-week rehab program that is designed to help strengthen your lower back and improve your overall mobility. It includes easy-to-follow exercises with step-by-step instructions and only requires anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes every other day. It is also all done through our easy-to-use app. Click the link in the description for more information and start moving pain-free.